Alright y'all, so let's start this makeup tutorial doing the brows. So we're doing blue brows today, so you know I never start my makeup with brows. So I'm going to take this brow gel. So I've replaced my Becca with Anastasia's brow gel. Taylor said it was good, so I'm using it because she said it was good, so we about to use it, and it's an A+ for me because it kept my brows stiff, y'all. They did not move at all. This gel or whatever glue this is was bomb. So I'm about to take my Kat Von D lip liner pencil in the shade, I don't know, I'll leave the description right below because I do have some new products, so I don't actually remember the names of everything. So I just do my brows like I regularly do them, and then I'm taking Tarte Tan Sand Deep and then just concealing that at the bottom, and then I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in T45 and do the top off camera. Right, so I went ahead and took my Huda Beauty palette that I showed you I was going to take, and then I also went in with my base number, what is this, 5, and this is by Plouise. And what I'm doing now is I'm just basically taking my 167 brush from Morphe, and I'm just packing that dark blue on the outer crease area, making it go around basically in a C shape. Taking that all the way in the inner tear duct area, I am going to take my MAC 221 brush and I'm going to grab that medium shade blue. It's not a light blue, nor is it a dark blue. It's like in between blue, and I'm going to basically smoke that first shade out with this brush. So you're going to go in windshield wiper motions, and then finally you're going to basically go in circular motions to smoke that look out. I was a fan of this look all the way up until the cut part. So I made one cut bigger than the other one, and then one cut, it was like way, well, it was way bigger than the other one, but one was not, it wasn't small, but it was like way big. So you can make your looks go from, you can make a cut go from cute to drag. So if it does look a little drag to you, that's because my cut is too high. And then plus, cut creases were made from the drag queen, so it's just going to just look like that. So oh well. Anyways, what I did was cut with Inglot, what is it, 94 gel liner, and then what I am going in with now is basically a highlighter from Posh Cosmetics, and it's in the shade Porcelain, I think, because I couldn't find my white shade. Mom, get out my camera. And then I'm going to take a Danessa Myrick pigment. It's like a blue, icy blue white pigment, and I'm going to tap that in the middle, and then I'm going to take a metallic from Danessa Myrick as well, and I'm going to pack that on the end. Now for glitters, what I'm going to use, well, Wet n Wild with Liquid Liner, you already know I use that all the time. So for glitters, I'm going to use Lit Cosmetics, then I'm going to use LAsplash glitters, And then I am also going to use, it was another glitter that I used. Oh yeah, it was lit again. So 2 lit glitters and then a LAsplash glitter. I don't know the names, but I will leave them in the description right below if you want to know the names of them. So you can stop right here if you want your look to look like this. Just plain and simple and no glitter. I just wish the cut was smaller on that side. Like, but we all make mistakes, so I am going to post this. So yeah, it would be better. Like, we all just need practice. So I tried to go in with a, I think this is where I messed up at. I tried to go in with a silver liner, and it just didn't look right. I don't know. It just didn't look right. But yeah, y'all, I love my hair though. It's so cute. So yeah, I went in with the glitters, and those are all the glitters. They're so pretty. I just wish you could see them even more. Alright, y'all, so this is a Better Than Sex mascara. Mascara, and then these are my lashes for my lash line, baby. These are the single 25mm lashes, and I have some double 25mm lashes coming. I just ordered them, so y'all will see them on Instagram. If you don't have my Instagram, don't forget to go look in the description below so that you all can follow me. I will show you the double stacked 25mm lashes. Y'all, they are so pretty, baby. They're so pretty. Yes, I'm coming out with my lash line, and then mom is going to come out with her hairline on the same site, but it's just going to be a hairline and a lash line. And I do want to make a palette for 2019. I am trying to find somebody to work with so I can make a palette. I don't want to just, have companies just basically put their name or slap their name on something. No, I want to actually make a palette. But anyways, I put silicone from, not silicone, it was like a silicone base, a primer from Smashbox. It smooths and blurs the skin, and that was Tarte primer. And now I use Urban Decay All Night Foundation in the shade 11.0 and the shade 12.0. And now I am taking my Tarte Tape Shape in the shade Deep in 10 Sand Deep. Yeah. Alright, I went back to an oldie, which is Anastasia Beverly Hills Earth Contour Stick. It's so creamy and it was blending out perfect. I don't know, the Huda, I loved it, but some reason, I don't know, it just wasn't blending out for me. Just like, you always have to stick with your old stuff sometimes. So yeah, getting that snow snatched. Alright, y'all, so the powder that I went in with was a Sacha Butter setting powder. And what I like to do with the powder is I like to basically, I don't like to bake. I just like to pat the powder into my skin until like disappears. Like basically melting that powder into the skin. I don't like it to sit there like bunch of powder. It's just gonna make your under eye look dry and cakey. So don't apply too much powder when you're doing this step. Dusting away that powder, I am going to take my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. If I don't show it, that's what I use to basically merge everything together and to set everywhere on my face. So now I'm taking this mint. I thought it was like a light blue, but baby, no, that is clearly mint. Mint LA Girl liner, and I put that under the eye, and then I'm just going to smoke it out with that dark blue and then the light blue underneath it as well with a Sigma brush, y'all. So I'm going in with a second best little lash line mascara. This is NYX Mini Micro Mascara, and I'm just aligning the lower lash line. Now, hey pretty, I'm about to basically line my lips with, what is this? What the hell is this? Unveil or Unveil, I think, by Briana. It's like a brown, not a dark brown, but like a pretty brown. And then I also went in with Inglot liquid lipstick. So that is it. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next Slay Month.